Okay, so now let me tell you how you can edit the content that is already on your website. By clicking on pages on the left-hand side, you will come up to all of the pages that are used to run your website. Right now you have 20 pages, and you can browse through those and see what I'm talking about. If you need to update anything, so let's say you need to update the creatures and critters, you can either click on creatures and critters or hover over it and click edit. From here it'll take you to that page's information, and it's very simple to edit anything on this page. You might wonder when you first come why there's no information written right here. I don't use the built-in editor on WordPress. I installed a plugin called Layout Builder. This allows me to put in custom columns, custom little widget boxes, and all of these fun things that help make your website way more up-to-date rather than just straight plain text. So you can fiddle around with any of these simply by clicking this little information box right here. And if you need to rearrange things, you can do so just by simply dragging and dropping. If you need to add a column, you can do so here. You can add a module. These are all the different things that you can add, and you can play around with those on, on your own and see what they're all about and see how they look and all that good stuff. But you would simply hold it and drag it into a spot that you want it to be. And when you finish that, you'll need to click Save Changes, and then click on Update up at the top, or Publish if your page hasn't been published yet. If you go down, you're going to see some information called Search Engine Optimization. This is how your site reacts to search engines. These are very important. This is how your site will look on a search, like through Google or through Yahoo. I've made descriptions for each page, and if you need to change those, you can certainly change them yourself. But this is how it will look up here. And then I have a featured image for each page, so that way when you share the page on like Facebook, usually it has a picture on the left hand side here, and that's what these should be. Anything that you change on this page, when it comes to the search engine optimization, it can take up to a week before the changes are seen online through any of the search engines. It doesn't happen immediately. So if it's not showing what you're wanting it to show, it's not because you've done anything wrong. It just means the internet hasn't propagated it yet. So if you have any questions, just let me know.